Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. So very simple, click on start. Now here find out control panel. Now click on ease of access if you not see this window. So here select large icons. Now here you will see option and setting, make the mouse easier to use. Click on it. Now, just you have to check prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. So select this option, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So this way guys, you can prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.